Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We're out here in the garage. Remember, we put the Diamondback hard cover on the back of our Dodge. This is the protector for the cab, so when you put stuff on the back, it can't slide through the window and kill you. So let's get this open. We do have to be careful opening it, not to scratch it. So we're choosing to use a scissors versus trying to use a knife. Hardware kit. Again, the hardware kit is mounted in here very well too, so it wouldn't rattle around. See, they sealed all the parts in their own compartments so they can't rattle or rub. So that's very nice what they did there. Open these up. Another part, like new. It is new. What I'm going to do is cut the instructions open. Like we got some stuff sealers here for them, so let's get these laid out and get them under something to hold them flat, so I can start getting flat. If put that on, it says start with these bolts, so we're going to take one of them over to the other side just to get it lightly started. Which way it goes, because you can only put these on one way, so we thought it'd be the other way. It looks like it is this way. Looks like it goes this way, because it looks like this hole, all the holes line up and go this way. So it must not be the other way. We'll start these by hand. What goes on is the cleats. The cleats are pretty easy. You get 2 bolts through there. Again, we're not tightening anything till everything's lined up here. Again, just kind of slide the holes, line the holes up here. I'm assuming this is the 1/2-inch socket they were talking about. And you don't really want to turn the socket because you might rub your finish. Okay, you can see where we're at. I can see that there's a hole here to drill. There's another one to drill here that it looks like they didn't drill. Looks like they didn't drill that on either side. If you look right in there, they didn't drill the other hole. They only have this hole. So apparently we have to drill this hole. So we'll have to figure that out as we go here. Looks like we bolt the 2 on and then drill the other hole through everything. We'll probably get a small drill and pilot that. But interesting, they didn't drill both holes. We're going to get ready to go outside and put this on the truck. We have to put our stickers on here. They gave you 2 of those, and goes on here like this. So we're going to try to put this on here, and hopefully it sticks in this weather. It looks like it will stick very well. We'll have to do the other side, then it's outside. So we can take our hardware out and not lose it outside. We're putting it together like it said, stainless steel washer, the little rubber gasket, then a big washer that goes on the inside, then a nylock nut, So we're putting these together so we have them ready to go. We do have marks. See the mark that says C? I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Let me stop this. And got another one there. So what we're going to do is we're going to close this, put that on. Looks like as long as we're not too far forward, we got lots of clearance. It looks like we have lots of clearance for both of these. So let's close this down and go get the part and lay it up here to drill the first 2 holes like they say. They try to set this down carefully here. I guess it'd help to have a helper, but we don't. Oh, we're just going to do it this way. And we're going to go see what it looks like on the other side. We can straighten this up like this. Put this right here. That'll probably have made a mark now. Well, it looks like it made a mark. Let's go around the other side. Do that one. Now we can look underneath and see where the mark's going to be. So here we're going to drill our hole. We know that when we come through, it's going to want to hit. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up. And we're going to go get a piece of wood to put under it so that we don't scratch our truck. We're laying this piece of wood on the rail here so when the drill comes through, we don't hit. Okay? There we go. Very smart to have this underneath. I need a bolt out for the other side. It's the one for this side. Get the washer and the nut off. Push the bolt through the hole here. And we'll get it through the hole here. Now we have to put the nut and washer underneath. So again, we're going to open the handle. Again, that thing catches. We go up this way, we got to watch because it wants to fall out. It's up and it won't fall apart. Bring this all the way up. Bring you inside so you see what you got up there. We're going to snug these up now. So then we can drill the second hole, which is where this mark is. And we have to push this in to make sure it's lined up when we drill through the second hole. So there you go. You can see we hit the C's pretty well there. So let's get it snugged up, and we'll be back. Okay, so you see the other C here where we're going to drill. The other thing we got to do is get this pushed in. So somehow we got to get that pushed in pretty good. We're not sure how we're going to do it. It's like once we're through, I might be able to push that in somehow. And maybe we can just loosen these other screws a little bit, and I think we're going to do that. We're going to loosen the screws a little so we can get this pushed in. It's going to leave you in the dark while we do it, but there you go. That's what we're going to do. We're back. In the interest of making your drill start easy, use a smaller bit. Yeah, looks like it's going to be about right. Smaller bit, higher speed. And once that's through, you want to come up here and make sure this is lined up nice, right where you want it. Then you drill through the other one. There we go. Now we're going to switch to the bigger drill and slow the speed down. Now they tell you in the instructions to take this cover off, but I didn't want to bring my helper out and have her help me, so I just did it this way. You can do it either way. It was probably a little harder this way, but not much, I'm telling you. There we go. We're going to close this up and tighten it. Well, first we're going to go to the other side. I won't show you that, but we'll do the same process we did here. And then we'll show you the finished product. Won't be long. Well, we're on, but we have to tighten those bolts we loosened before. There you go, another My Two Good Hands video complete. So don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on, use the links below to shop, help support the channel. Diamondback covers are great. I love mine, and I tell you what, this is really going to help here protect any loads from sliding forward and breaking the window or just killing me, period, if it's an accident. So don't forget to like and subscribe and turn your post notifications on. Catch you in the next video. Here's our Diamondback cover. It's on. You can see what we opted to do. We got the guard there, since you can put a load on top. We haven't put the cleats on yet because we're not sure where we want them. You can get a look around how it looks. There you go.